Hello everybody, welcome to our lesson of Brazilian Portuguese at the beach, na praia. So I just thought, I'm just walking at the beach and I thought, how cool would it be that instead of having all these fake activities and these fake videos where people pretend to be somewhere with these ridiculous dialogues, why don't we actually film the real thing? So here, for example, we're going to learn a few words. This here that I'm touching is a chair, which we call in Brazilian Portuguese cadeira. Cadeira. This here, on the other hand, is something that we need to cover ourselves from the shade, and it's called a sombrinha. Sombrinha. Cadeira. Sombrinha. Right here, you're gonna see I'm playing with the sand, and in Portuguese we call it areia. Areia. So far we have cadeira, sombrinha, and you try it. There you go. Areia. Good. Now we're gonna look at the beautiful sea, and in Portuguese we call it mar. Mar. So I'm walking on the, what's the name of this? This was that I'm playing with, that's areia, and I'm moving towards the sea, which is mar. Mar. In the sea, of course, we find a lot of water, which in Brazilian Portuguese is água. Água. So we can drink the water. Água. Okay? Now you can see the waves coming from the ocean, and the waves, which are there, I'm trying to point at them, are called ondas. Ondas. That's a very nasal sound. Ondas. Okay? So here we can see the sea. There's the water, and you can see the waves, which are called ondas. Now, if you look all the way at the top, we have the very beautiful blue sky, which in Brazilian Portuguese is called céu. Céu. Okay? Now, if you look at this is a cloud, which in Brazilian Portuguese is a nuvem. Nuvem. Okay? So, céu, sky, cloud, nuvem, water, água, the waves, onda. Now we're gonna go to the sand. How do you say sand in Brazilian Portuguese? There you go, areia. And then I'm pointing at the chair all the way there, and this is a, in Portuguese, cadeira. And when you're at the beach, you want to sit under this thing so you don't get sunburned. And this is called a sombrinha. Sombrinha. You're going to see all the way in the background, there's a little boat, which is super cool. I'm trying to see the boat in the background. Can you see it? Yeah. So the boat, Brazilian Portuguese, is barco. What else? We saw the cloud, which is a nuvem. Right? All over my face there's sunscreen, so I don't want to get burned too much. Maybe I'm already a little burned. And in Portuguese you say protetor solar. It actually translates to sun protector. It's a sunscreen. Protetor solar. All the way in the sea, going into the sea, we can see two women, and those are duas mulheres. Two women. Duas, two, feminine. Duas women, mulheres. Duas mulheres. And all the way in the background, you can see a house, and that's uma casa, a house, uma casa. Now, this is at the beach. So in Portuguese we call it a beach house, which would be casa de praia. Beach house. Casa de praia. There we go. Casa de praia. So this is it for our lesson. Very quickly, how do you say sand? Portuguese? You try it. Areia. Areia. How do we say sea? Right there. Mar. Mar. How do we say waves? Look at the waves, they're breaking. Portuguese, that's onda, wave. Onda, plural, ondas. There we go. Then we have the sky, which is céu. We have the clouds. The plural, that's nuvens. Singular, cloud would be nuvem. And then we have two women going into the sea. How do you say two women? Duas mulheres. There we go. Then we have the chair in the background. Right there. How do you say chair? Cadeira. Since we have more than one chair, we have chairs. So that's cadeiras. And then we have the thing that's going to protect you from the sun. And we call this a sombrinha. Sombrinha. There we go. That's our Portuguese lesson of the day. At the beach. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Maybe in the future I'm going to make some more videos. Have a great time. This is a city called Natal. It's in the state of Rio Grande do Norte in Brazil. And the beach is called Pirangi. This is one place where they have the biggest cashew nut in the world. So, good luck. Boa sorte. And I hope all of you will learn enough Portuguese to come here one day. Thank you. Obrigado. Ciao.